Hello, my friends. In today's vlog, we will tackle two of my dresser drawers that are in dire need of organization. I can never find what I need when searching. We're going to put an end to that today. Stay tuned to see how I accomplish this.
My bottom drawer with all my workout pants, okay? So now we're about to go through these. Y'all, these pants, now when I gained my weight, I know I couldn't fit these. But girl, I've had these for like 3 years that my second cousin gave me. And these are adorable and they would fit me perfectly now. But see the legs, girl, I really need to clean out this. This is crazy. All right, so these are keepers for sure. Okay, I'm gonna put these over here. Now, some of my pants, look, these are a keeper also. I have been looking for these guys for the longest, okay? And they were just tucked away in the bottom of that drawer. So these are also keepers. Have the little pockets for your phone. I should have been doing this a long time ago because what happens is I go shopping for this stuff and I already have what I need. So that's wasting money. So I need to work on that, okay? These I have had for the longest and you could tell they're very, you could tell here, they're faded. But these are probably okay, like when we go outside and I'm doing planting, which is coming up and I can't wait for the spring. So I probably can keep these. What size are these? But these will be a keeper as well. Yes, guys. Now I wore these in our race, Susan G. Komen Race for the Cure. So these definitely are keepers. And I've worn these several times too. It's just they were tucked away at the bottom. So I knew I had these, so keep these. Sports bra, definitely keep. I wear these, so this is okay to keep. Now I do wear these, so they're not just thrown in the back of the drawers or anything. So these are good. I do wear these and these as well. Now I'll be honest, these will still work. And even though this is a large, these are cute little workout pants. The 3/4 length there. But I really do wear small to medium, but I will keep these because even though they slide down some, they're still good. Now, if I lose some more weight, when I lose some more weight, because I am trying to really just tone up and maybe lose another 5 to 10 pounds, maybe, if that. And I don't really have to, so I'm happy with where I am, but it's more toning. I will give these away if they become too big, okay? These, y'all, these are faded. I just would wear these around the house. I've had these forever. Do you hear me? I've had these things, I bet you, since I was in college, in undergrad. So that tells you. So what size? That's a small, which I still could keep. I could wear them outside and stuff, you know, doing gardening, that kind of thing. So this will be in my maybe pile. Now, these are definitely, I hate that because these are brand new, y'all. Brand new. And I know these came from Walmart. So these are large. And they're a nice pant, like a yoga pant. Honey, the tag's still on them. They're wide leg. They're cute. But these are definitely going to be too big. It's not going to fit the way I want them to fit. So I'm going to see if my mom wants these because they would fit her. But she's short. But she does wear these around the house just to lounge in. So I think she'll really like these. So I'm going to take these over to my parents' house this weekend. So I'll set those aside. As well as these. My mom, though, she does not like legging type pants, and these are way too big for me, for sure. So these will be donated. This is an extra large. So these, I must have grabbed these from Walmart or something when I was a little heavier. My mom doesn't like these because she is knock-kneed and she hates leggings on her. She doesn't even like to wear them around the house, but I'll still check with her to see if she is interested in these. If not, I know, well, my aunt's even smaller. I may have to donate these because I don't know anybody else in my family or friends that these would fit. Now, these are some old school yoga pants, another wide leg. I just don't like how these are made, to be honest. Not on me. And it's such a high waist. It's almost like, to me, it looks like maternity wear. And I don't know, it's kind of faded. I'm going to see if my mom likes these. I doubt she will. So these will probably be donated as well. So far, so good. I need to start getting rid of stuff. These will be donated. I don't know where these came from. These probably never fit me. I can't even remember where these came from, but these will definitely be donated. Okay. Now these are cute. Now girl, I forgot I had these. And look, brand new. brand new. These are a large and these are AVA. So I think definitely I'm going to keep these, and maybe if I let these kind of pants air dry because of the material. I just want to keep it as long as possible. And that dryer tends to make them a little more worn and kind of bead up. But these are good quality and they shouldn't. So I'm going to try these on maybe a little later. These are cute too. I love the color. All right. Now what is this? Oh, this is cute. The best is yet to come. I think I just got this kind of wear. You know what, y'all? See, this is in my workout drawer. Girl, this goes with some of my pajama pants. And I had it in that drawer. That's cute. I would definitely wear this around the house in the summer. And I like my tops pretty big, pajamas. And side note, I have a fixation with pajamas. This just started, I would say 2 years ago. So I'm going to go through that pajama drawer, and I know I'm going to get rid of a lot of stuff because I want to go and get some new pajamas. So y'all, this goes in a pajama drawer. So I'm going to set this aside because we're going to tackle that one next. I done spoke it up. Y'all, these go with these shorts. But look, these shorts I think are too big, but they have the drawstring and they're a large 12, 14. I'm hoping I could still wear these with that. I don't know. I may have to try that on. But these are the shorts I'm talking about. See, they're in the wrong drawer. This is why I can't find stuff. What size is this? This is a small, 4 to 6. I guess I could wear these to the gym because these fit. I hate to get rid of these because I will make use of these when we're doing yard work, washing the car, walking around the neighborhood, that kind of thing. So I'll try these on and just see. If not, they're going to be donated as well. Oh, these are cute. These are more like yoga. It's another wide leg black pant. Now, I do like these. And this is what? These are mediums. These will fit me perfectly. And they're wide leg too. My ankles are so tiny. I like more of the fitted pants, you know, all the way down, the workout pants, but these may work. And a couple more things, guys. These gray ones are interesting. I've had these, but look, they are so thin. And they have this at the bottom, which is cute. It's kind of like this gathered little shindig on the side. I think they're cute though. So these are small. I may keep these because these are not flared and they would fit my small legs. So it takes a special kind of workout pant to really fit. My legs are pretty small. So I think I may keep these, but these are see-through also. It's just so see-through. Can you see? I don't know. But with the right top, you know, I don't wear sports bras too much yet until I get to where I want to get to. So I would just wear a t-shirt with these and these may work. So we'll try these on in the maybe pile. These are definitely going to gift. I've had these for a while. These are wide legs. It's just not for me though. I just don't care for them too much. So these will be donated or to see if my mom will like them because they are wide leg. So we'll see if she'll like those. So that's the little stack I'm going to take to my mom. And y'all, these are cute. Look, tags still on them. What size? Medium 8 to 10. Now these are pretty cute, but I really don't like them. They seem larger than an 8 to 10. I guess I'll try these on and see, but this is something definitely that my mom or my sister-in-law may wear, but they're cute and and they're brand new, y'all. This is the kind of stuff I do. I go shopping and don't go through my drawers to see what I have. So that's a problem. So I'm going to see if my mom wants these. All right, guys. So far, these are the items I will keep. And these are my pants, my workout pants, and what are these? And the 2 pairs of shorts. Is that right? Or 1 pair? Where's my other shorts? Oh, right here. 2 pairs of shorts, kind of spandex type shorts, and then my workout pants. So these are keepers, as well as the sports bra. These, I don't know if I'm going to donate or what, because they are old, and I may keep 1 pair only because I can just use 1 to 2. Let's just say that's fair. 1 to 2 pairs of these just for outdoor wear when I'm gardening or we're planting flowers or just doing some kind of yard work. These are the pajamas, y'all, that should be in another drawer. And then these are going to be the items that I take to my mom to see if she can wear. If not, they'll be donated. So we've completed 1 drawer. So I'm going to put my workout stuff back in the drawer. I am too happy about this.
And I have so much more space, honey. I'm glad this is cleared out. Oh my goodness, this looks so much better. And I know I have some other items that I need to add in here that are in the dirty clothes hamper because we work out at least 4 days a week. So I'll wash those and still have plenty of room to put my extra workout pants and sports bras. So I am so happy about this, and I'm hoping my mom will enjoy the items that I set aside for her. Otherwise, honey, they are going to be donated. Now this one is going to be a challenge, okay? Knee highs, pantyhose, socks, you name it. It's too much in here. We need this cleaned out. Okay, y'all, I have taken everything out of this drawer. Well, almost. Taken everything out of this drawer, and this is what we're looking like, okay? A lot of these are socks that are just loose. Let's just get through this and see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to toss. Okay, this one is loose. This is just, I think these go together. Now this is a workout little shirt, you know, not a sports bra, but it has the sports bra support. This should be going in the other drawer. All right, here's some pajamas. Now, I love a good satin pajama. I usually don't go to bed in these because, honey, I sweat so bad with satin pajamas. I love them just to wear around the house, you know, like around the holidays and that kind of thing. So I will keep these. There's nothing wrong with these. What size is this? These are large. I know I've had these for a very, very long time. And there's a top that goes with them. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. Yeah, this is a nice set to keep. And it's long sleeve. So I think I will keep these. I will keep this one. And it looks cozy. And it's navy blue, very classy. So I will keep this. Now, I haven't worn this in years, but I know this will fit me. And it is nice. I forgot that I had these. This would have been perfect just to wear around the holidays. You know, if we had like family over and they were staying over with us or something. And these are just nice and presentable, you know, to wear when you have company over. Okay, here's another sports bra that needs to go in the workout drawer. See, everything here, I would wear this stuff. It's just in the wrong drawers and I forget where they are or I can't find them. Another sports bra. Girl, I have been looking for a lot of my sports bras and told my husband the other day that I wanted to go to the store and buy some more. These are plenty, honey. I wash them and then rewear these. Nobody sees them under my t-shirts. I don't wear these out. I'm just not comfortable with it yet until I get my body exactly how I want it. So this is perfect just for, you know, an undergarment under a t-shirt or sweatshirt. Oh, my black socks. I have so many white ankle socks, but I need my black ones. And I don't care if they're mismatched. Some of these have pink in it, you know, the lined and then purple, pink, honey. If I can find them and they're matching, that's fine. But I will wear these mismatched. You can't tell. They're black. Goodness. So these are tights, right? These are actual tights that I would wear in the winter months. So these need to go with my socks. Girl, I have so many of them. Look, brand new. These are not been worn, which I don't wear these a lot. So that's probably why I just keep them and I'm not looking for them. But I want to keep them all organized. So I have leggings, trouser socks. Look, in the packets. Brand new, y'all. Brand new. What else? Oh, my comfort socks. Now, I bought these. Look, when I find a sale, y'all, I buy these. But do you see they're brand new? These are nice crew trouser socks. And they're cozy. See, I need to make these readily available to grab, especially for church. But since I work from home, I'm not really wearing this a lot. So I'm not going into the office, but I do need these for church. So these, I'm glad I have these. I know I don't need any more trouser socks. This looks very small and it's been, honey, I have worn this out. I've had this since I was really young too. So this is pretty
tight on me. I think this is like an extra small. Honey, I'm not getting back into this. So this is definitely going to be donated. Where's my donation pile? Look at this, y'all. This is something that I've had when I had to have my ankle taped up. This needs to be in our first aid kit in our primary bathroom. 2 of these, honey. These need to be put up in case my husband needs to use these too. So I'm going to put these aside. Plenty of workout socks, y'all. I shouldn't get any more. Oh, I have a lot of socks. I love my ankle socks, so it's never too many. These are so cute. Now, I love these. It's kind of a headache to put on. They have like the toes in them. My niece got me these for Christmas. And look, you can just walk so you won't slip on the floor. These are adorable. And I need to start wearing these because these are just too cute. And I would not get rid of these. These are adorable. My little cute socks. I wore these at our Christmas party that we hosted. It was really adorable. Trouser socks, that's the same one. Trouser socks. Trash here. Now this is a trouser sock. This one matches, this one goes with it. So this is my other trouser sock. Tie these together. More trouser socks. I remember one Christmas, my mom got me so many of these, so I know this is where it's coming from. These are from my mom. Is my sleepwear here, so we'll put that back in the second drawer in a second. For now, I need to cut out and hit this gym.